It's the only vessel I can see here. It's January 2019. So this is our Mermaid 12,000 BTU AC unit. It's running right now. And what we did, of course, besides hook up the Easy Start, we've rewired inside the unit. Not rewired it, but buttoned everything up, used good terminal ends and so forth to clean that all up, because it was in test mode before, temporary hooked up, until we got it working. And so we did that, and we also added a power strip here. So, because I want to add a fan, the air conditioner's down here. There's not a lot of space. I mean, there's space, but I thought it'd be nice to have some air circulating in there. So I wanted to come on and off with the air conditioner. And so the wires here this normally goes to the pump, and you can program the FX1 thermostat to have the pump come on and off with the air conditioner unit. And that's what we do, so we don't have to listen to the pump. It doesn't do much for the pump to just run continuously. So in other words, I hooked this power strip up, and now it comes on and off instead with the compressor and the air conditioner. So now I can hook a fan, just plug one in here, and it'll come on and off every time the system runs, and blow some air around in there, and voila, it'll be nice and cool. And so everything seems to be working fine, and it's blowing cold air. Of course, we have the hatches open and stuff, but we're just testing it out, and it seems to be working good. Now I'll stick it back in there, button it all up, and off we go to the races. We're ready for some hot weather, but not yet. Well, you can see on the side.